Was that Red Hot Chili Peppers? That's supposed to be. Waves right here to snorkel, but we can snorkel.
Oh, you went for it.
Hey, boom! Go back there. Good morning. It is what, 6:30 a.m. Messing around, doing a little trading, making a little money while on vacation. It's cool that the market opens at like 4:30. Yeah, 4:30 in the morning here. But yeah, doing a little trading, messing around. Slept good. My freaking calves are killing me from all the hiking. Sun comes up over there. It looks a little cloudy, but it's supposed to be a nice day. Should I yell out? Good morning, my neighbors! Alright. We're going to get ready and then we're going to walk around, look at the hotel. We didn't even do that yet. And then grab some coffee. And probably walk around Waikiki today. So, catch you in a little while. So, this is the breakfast. We got free breakfast, right? From the American Express? Yeah. Free breakfast. You know, you got your eggs, potato, sausage, some stuff over here. Some fruits. Yep, that's it.
How's your breakfast?
It's okay. Not bad for a free breakfast.
For a what?
Free. Hmm?
It's not really free.
You're right. It's early morning. What time is it, Isa? 7:40. So, sun's still behind the clouds and mountain. Hopefully it pops out today. There's a famous statue right here of this surfer guy. See, it's right there. People take pictures in front of it all the time. Duke, that's his name, Duke. He's got a lot of lays on him. There's a Waikiki trolley. Take you around up and down the strip here. Check this out. They must have built all this around these trees. It's like a mall or something. International Marketplace. There's a Target over there. This tree is monstrous. Hey, look at these ducks. Look Look how massive this tree is.
It's pretty cool.
We're gonna go up, check it out. This right here. It's like a tree house up here. Don the Beachcomber. Somebody's cleaning it. Alright, we're going back the other way now, and the sun is coming out. So we're gonna go back to the room, grab us a drink, even though it's like 9 a.m., 9:30. Probably get ready for the beach and then come out and enjoy this beautiful Hawaiian day. Back in the room for a little bit, packing up to go to the beach. Look how gorgeous. I've actually seen like 2 turtles floating around out there. The water is so clear, you can just see it from up here. Pretty cool. Later tonight, 5:30 p.m., the Mai Tais down there so the Mai Tais down there were $25. We just went and looked at the menu. 5:30 p.m. to 6:30 p.m. Monday through Friday, $10. $10 for the Mai Tais. That's a hell of a discount. So we are going to go have Mai Tais, and then we're going to have a nice dinner. What dinner? Oh, we're going to Morimoa Steakhouse or something like that. But because she got a $100 credit for the resort, so we're gonna go spend that. Hey, do you have my lei? Oh, the brown one or this one? No, not that one. The brown one. Look at Isa's get up right now. She is decked out Hawaiian style. Oh yeah, that lei.
You like my outfit?
Yeah. Can you lay me? Look at Isa. Where are you going? Hanging around? Back in the messy room. We just had a blast out in Waikiki in the ocean. Isa was floating on that thing right there, and I was pulling her around. Look at Diamond Head. That is gorgeous. But yeah, I'll show you where we were at. We were floating around right out that point right there. So like right around there where my finger's pointing. I was floating around right over there. It was really fun. We're gonna head down there for $10 Mai Tais at 5:30. And then tomorrow, we're checking into there. This hotel right here. Marriott. I know everybody back home is enjoying the 10-degree weather and shit tons of snow. Where we at?
We're gonna go to happy hour downstairs at the Morimoto Ramen.
All right, let's do it. Hitting happy hour, folks.
Heading it.
Momo-san. We're having some French fries and a couple beers. Then we're gonna go get Mai Tais. Then we're gonna actually have dinner. But we're just trying to kill a little bit of time and eat these fries up with chopsticks. Really?
Alright, so we kind of beat down with the sun, but we're getting like a pre-appetizer, pre-happy hour before our happy hour.
Yeah, we're going up to the pool after this.
And then we got some steakhouse action because we have $100 food and beverage credit.
I'm looking forward to that because I'm actually hungry. So those fries ain't for shit.
We just got 2 drinks and some garlic fries.
And the fries didn't do anything for me, so I need some meat.
Yeah. We'll be there in a minute. What are you drinking, baby?
She made me a margarita. It was a happy hour, so.
That's right.
What's that?
Just the wine.
Some flour in it?
Yeah. Just gotta put an orchid in it.
How's the taste? You didn't even try it yet. That was good?
Yeah.
Alright. Oh. 25 minutes till my time. What? What we do?
Yes.
Dinner is served.
That's our dinner?
Yeah. You want dinner? Or your appetizer? Your Mai Tais.
I'll take it. Whatever it is.
Mai Tai. You ready for your Mai Tai?
Yep.
Really? Yeah. Man down. Man down. Man down. Wait. There you go. Man down. Okay. So is that Morimoto right there at the top? Look at that. Waikiki. Go take a look at this real quick, Isa, and then we'll go get dinner. Hawaii or unmaxed? Unmaxed. Yeah. Pretty insane. Alright. And what the hell is that? Anyway, I am out and about by myself now. Because Isa was a little too tipsy. So now I'm looking for a place to eat. Because I'm really super hungry. And I don't know what to do right now. So there's a bunch of food trucks here. I haven't found any place to eat yet. Still walking around. What's that? Statue of the surfer guy. And gorgeous sunset tonight. I am trying to find some food. Alright. So I found this pizza place. I'm gonna get one slice of that. One slice of the Hawaiian. This is it's called Aloha Pizza. Check out this place though. It's like a food hall. They got all kinds of stuff up in here. It's pretty cool. Just right down the street from our hotel. And I got from Aloha Pizza. Try it out. I'm a pizza guy, so we'll see. See how it is. What do you say? Okay, fuck off too. Fuck off.